Hey guys, how's it going? How to transfer WeTransfer files on iPhone. So first of all, you will get an email on your Gmail that there is a person transferred a file to your to your email, and what you gotta do, you gotta just go ahead and download basically the file. Okay, so let's have an example. You got an email, right? And let's have an example. You got a link, right? They're gonna send you a link of that file, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and open up the official website of the WeTransfer, and you're gonna see the exact file link that's been shared by the sender to you, and then you're gonna be able to hit download the file, and you're gonna be able to download it at once, right? Like at its time. So you don't need to do extra steps or anything. You don't need to download that app. You can just receive the link and then basically act on it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and